Do you know? Now you can earn money online with little efforts by selling images and videos you shoot with your mobile device. Isn't that interesting? If it is, watch this video till the end because you are going to get lots of benefits out of this. Hello everyone, welcoming all to Manifesting Dream ADC. In today's topic, we are going to discuss on how to sell photos online and make money using Shutterstock. This is the most commonly asked question, that is, can you shoot images through mobile phones and sell it on Shutterstock? The answer is big yes, as long as you meet the technical requirement of Shutterstock. Now you might be asking me, what is the technical requirement? Don't worry, I'm there to help you. The technical requirement is nothing but its resolution, height and width of all the images that must be uploaded into the Shutterstock. All the images must be at least 4 megapixel or larger than this. Set at highest quality settings to produce an acceptable file dimension to Shutterstock. The file format of the image must be in JPEG and TIFF format. Caution: Shutterstock do not currently accept PSD files or TIFF with layers. So I would recommend you to submit your images as JPEG because all the images uploaded into Shutterstock are automatically converted into JPEG upon approval. So, I hope the technical aspect is understood now. For your more benefit, I am giving you the link in the description box, the official page of Shutterstock, where you can get the technical requirements of Shutterstock in more depth. But I have given you what is the essential or what are the necessary points. If you guys want more in depth, you can definitely go and check out that link, and the link is provided in the description box. So before you upload your images into Shutterstock, you need to go and check yourself what is the competition rate of your images versus them. If there is a tough competition, then I would recommend you to select some sort of niche which is less competitive so that you can rank higher over there. So here comes the question, how to make your mobile device images compete with the rest of others, right? So here is our step number 1, that is always shoot in daylight. Daylight is or can be otherwise said as natural light, or whatever images you are shooting, you must shoot it in the daylight. In case your area is not having sufficient sunlight, then I would recommend you to use some alternate to sunlight. There are different types of lighting tools used in photography. You can buy anything that works on your budget. So here completes our step number 1. So moving on to step number 2, that is nothing but avoid zooming in. When you take a photo from a distance, it is obvious that you have it tempting to zoom in on something specific that you are trying to capture. My friends, I would recommend you to stop doing that since it makes your image to appear blurry or pixelated or appear greenery. Instead, get closer to your subject only in case of landscape, nature. Please avoid anything such something like wildlife photography shoot with your mobile device. I would never recommend you to use mobile phones for wildlife photography because that is something highly dangerous for your life. Okay, so now moving on to number 3, that is nothing but use of flash only during the day. Because dark shots reveal a much sharper contrast against your phone flash. It can make any flash look uneven or any image look uneven. So I would recommend you to use the flash light only during the daytime. So here completes our step number 3 too. And now moving on to step number 4, that is nothing but buy a mobile tripod. Although mobile devices make it easy to snap any photo on the go, there never been an easy way to ensure that the shot stays on level and it is balanced when you shot. Mobile tripods give you the enough freedom to click the pics which you want, with even losing its level and balance. Well, that's how a good image must be. And now here completes our step number 4. Moving on to step number 5, that is nothing but your phone is usually in your pocket or in your bag when you are out of the house. All those device camera lens is collecting all kinds of dust and lid. So make sure you clean your phone's lens before any shot. I hope that by using these 5 methods, you can definitely capture good images through your mobile phone and earn a very handsome amount of money by selling your photos online through Shutterstock. Till then, take care and bye-bye. And also, please don't forget to like, subscribe and to comment to my channel.